Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix error on your Google Chrome browser in your Android device. So as you can see guys, whenever I'm trying to open a website, so at that time I'm facing this type of error. There has been a critical error on this website. So how to fix this issue? Now we will learn this guys. Okay, so when you're facing this type of problem, first you need to close your browser. After closing, reopen your browser and open your website. Now hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, so now what you need to do, you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, you need to check your internet connection, if you are connected to your Wi-Fi, or if you are using your mobile data. Just you need to check your internet connection. In case your internet connection is not good, at that time you can also face this type of problem guys. Okay, so one more main reason behind this error is this guys. If the website server was down, at that time you can 100% face this kind of error on your browser. So wait for few minutes. After then guys, try to open your website once. Hopefully this time it will fix your problem. In case still you are facing same type of problem every time, so you can follow this next method. Now you need to update your Google Chrome browser. To update these guys, open the Google Play Store on your phone, and here you need to search Google Chrome like this, and if the app update is available, just simply update the app. Okay, after updating, this will also help you to fix your problem. Okay, after updating, still in case you are facing same type of problem, you can try another method. Now you need to open your phone settings like this, go to apps or application manager, whatever option you are getting, just open it, and from here you need to find out the Google Chrome browser and go to storage, clear the caches and clear the storage of this browser. Remember one thing guys, if you are clearing the storage of your app, it will reset settings of your browser, including your password, history, cookies, everything. Okay, so do it on your own risk. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix the error on your Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.